How do you perfectly describe when someone refuses to proceed or maintains control through indifference? I'm Raymond, and today we're unlocking three essential words that will change the way you talk about refusal and self-control. That's Eschew, Balk, and Stoic. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and you won't just learn these words, you'll own them. Let's dive in. First up is ESQ. To eschew something is to deliberately and habitually avoid it. It's when you make a conscious decision to stay far away from something because you know it's not good for your peace of mind. Think about someone who decides to eschew all the drama and gossip in the friend group, choosing to stay in their own lane and focus on their own growth. Or consider a person who is serious about their fitness, so they eschew all forms of processed sugar and soda, even when everyone else is indulging. You might even see a creative person who eschews the latest social media trends, preferring to work on their craft in private rather than chasing temporary clout. So you've learned how to eschew the things that don't serve you. But what happens when you're right in the middle of a situation and you suddenly feel like you can't go another step? That's where our next word, Balk, comes in. To balk means to hesitate or be unwilling to accept an idea or an undertaking. It's that moment where you were ready to move forward, but something feels off and you immediately stop. Imagine you're about to buy something you've wanted for a long time, but you balk the moment you realize the quality isn't as good as they promised. Or think about a friend who is excited to join you for a workout, but then balked when they realized how intense the training session was actually going to be. Even in a business deal, someone might be ready to partner with you, but then they balk when they realize the risks are much higher than they initially thought. It's one thing to balk when things get tough, but how do you stay unshakable through the entire storm? To do that, you need to master the mindset of being stoic. Let's break it down. Being stoic means enduring pain or hardship without showing your feelings or complaining. It's that internal strength that keeps you calm when everyone else is panicking. Picture someone who remains stoic when their flight gets delayed for hours. Instead of yelling at the staff, they just find a quiet corner and use the time to read or work. Or consider a person who stays completely stoic after receiving some harsh criticism, choosing to listen and learn instead of getting defensive or emotional. You'll even see it when someone is dealing with a personal loss or setback. They stay stoic, keeping their head high and moving forward one step at a time despite the pain. From choosing to eschew, to knowing why you balk, to remaining stoic under pressure, you now have the vocabulary of control. Use these words this week and watch how people perceive your authority differently. But before you go, help us keep the momentum by liking and commenting if this helped you out. That support is what keeps us going. Tell me which word from the video was your favorite, or just react with an emoji to show some love. I really appreciate you being here. Every like and comment helps us find more people just like you. I'm Raymond, and I'll see you in the next one.